I speak to you today, not just as Davido, but as one of your own, as a voice for our people. I understand the tension and emotion surrounding this election, but I urge everyone to remain calm. Very important. We've been calm for how long? Might as well stay on this, our train. It has never affected anything. Don't forget, we've won this thing twice before. No shaking. We've won it twice before, and we're going to win it again for the third time, by the grace of God. But I urge everyone to remain calm, like I said before. No political ambition, disagreement, or election is worth the life of an Osun son or daughter. Let us reject violence. I'll say it again. Let us reject violence, intimidation, provocation, and most importantly, destruction. They started going everywhere, destroying things out of jealousy. It's crazy. To every person in Osun, come out and exercise your right to vote. Do not be afraid or intimidated. Your vote is your voice, and your choice must be respected. I'll say it again. Your choice must be respected. There's no two ways about it. Let us show the world that Osun people are not only peaceful, courageous, determined to build a better future for the state. And to our daddy from Imo State, I say this with respect, sir. I have heard rumors suggesting that there are moves to interfere in the Osun State election, or use the state as a political battleground to prove a point. I do not present these claims as facts, but I appeal to you, sir, to use your influence to promote peace and allow the people of Osun choose their candidates freely. We have mutual connections, and I have a deep connection to Imo State. My wife, Chioma, is from the state, which makes this appeal more sincere. Please, let Osun remain peaceful. We say it again, please, let Osun remain peaceful. One more time, let Osun remain peaceful. Thank you. Take its course and let the people decide. Dear contestants in the Osun State, this is your opportunity to contest for the governorship, but political opportunities come and go, also known as nothing lasts forever. Whatever the outcome is, please do not allow political ambition to put the lives and future of Osun people at risk. I appeal to you, your supporters, and the entire political party structure. Let the people come out freely, peacefully to vote for the candidate of their choice. If they choose you, let the victory be through their votes. If they choose someone else, let their decision be respected. Politics is temporary, but Osun will be here forever. No political victory is worth violence, destruction, or the loss of a single life. A single life. To everyone in Osun, please come out, vote peacefully, reject intimidation, and let your voice be heard. Osun is ours, the future is ours, and let peace lead the way.